Hey there mga my loves, Virgo! Thank you so much for always staying here with me in the channel, babe. So before we start your reading, reminders muna tayo na hindi po lahat ito ay mag-resonate sa inyo. No? Kaya naman, piliin mo lamang yung mga mensahe na sa tingin mo ay for you. At wala po tayong gender here, babae, lalaki, LGBT, lahat kayo welcome. Cross-watchers, you can flip roles if you want. At syempre mga babes, no, at the end of the day, you always have your free will. Malaya kayong gamitin yan. So, let's go ahead, Virgo, at alamin natin kung anong meron here for you guys. By the way, ako po pala si Yan, new subscribers. Welcome. At sa mga returning subscribers, thank you so much sa inyong walang sawang pagsuporta. So, angels and guides, Archangel Michael, thank you so much. Can you please show me messages for my dear Virgo people, please? What do we have here for Virgo, please? Virgo. Messages for Virgo. Virgo. Okay, so let's go ahead. Ilatag na muna natin lahat mga babes, no? Bago natin tuluyang i-read. You do have here the mirror. Also have here the butterfly. Separation. Mask. Love. Kiss on the ring. Passion. Grim Reaper. Photograph. Someone here misses you. Healing heart, soulmate, and palm tree. Beautiful. Okay, yeah. Both is like the Six of Swords energy. So, unahin na natin ang pinakamagandang mensahe sa pag-ibig. Nakita ko dito, Virgo, na there is someone here coming sa inyo and it is a new energy right here. This is your true soulmate, sweetheart. The one that can definitely heal your whole life with. So, ibig sabihin, hindi lamang yung mga wounds mo sa'yo, no, na nadulot ng mga past, na mga masasakit na mga experiences mo sa life, no? Kundi mahihil niya ang buong life mo. So, this is your true soulmate right here. I'm seeing na siya na talaga yung makakasama mo forever. May stability rito at may permanency sa inyong connection. This person is coming right sa'yo pa lang. No, pwedeng very, very pretty soon for a lot of you. This person here is paparating pa lang. Pero sa iba sa inyo, pwedeng nakarating na siya rito. No? Pero, hindi pa nagkakaroon ng pagkakamabutihan sa inyo rito. Pero I'm seeing that this is gonna start pretty good. So I do pick up na kung sino man tong soulmate mo, lumalabas siya bilang person na oras na upang magkakilala kayong dalawa. Yung iba nagkadaupang palad na, it's like shaking hands. So ibig sabihin, na-meet niyo na. Pero marami-rami sa inyo, Virgo, ang hints or hindi pa. Pero pretty soon, mamimit mo na siya. For some reason, I'm picking out 3 weeks as the earliest from now. So just take how this resonates. Remember, this is timeless. So I do see na someone here misses you, no? And this person here do not know what to do. Nagtitrigger po yung kanyang emotions and feelings, no? To come towards you. This person here is actually, alam niya na wala ng chance at all sa pag-revive or pag-CPR ng inyong connection back to life. This person could be your ex right here, but this could be also the energy here of someone who betrayed or sumira ng tiwala mo. Broke your trust. So, nakita ko na kung sino man to, whether ex mo or hindi. This person here misses you. Misses you laugh, the way you smile, the way you talk things out. At for some reason, I'm hearing the word weird. Pati yung pagiging weird mo or let's say, pinakakuha kong ibig sabihin ng weird doon is unique. Yung pagiging kakaiba mo, yung pagiging pambihira mo, yung pagiging ikaw, no? Na I think yun yung hindi niya rito makalimot-limutan, no? And for some reason, this person here remembers you. Meron ka sigurong may sinasabi ka palagi sa kanya noon, nung okay-okay pa kayo, no? Na parang yun yung pinaka-alingaw-ngaw or umaalingaw-ngaw sa kanyang ears, no? Para siya ritong um, nananaginip ng gising, 'no? So, this person here is actually missing you so badly. Sobrang lumalala yung pagka-miss niya sa'yo kaya kung ano-ano na rin yung mga naririnig niya rito, 'no? Lalo na yung voice mo, 'no? Especially, I'm seeing na yung iba tinatawag niyo ang name niya, yun yung particular niyang naririnig or baka may tawagan kayo before kung past lover mo siya, yun yung naririnig niya and your voice. The way you look, the way you express things, the way you show your love and affection, 'no, sa iyong facial expressions, 'no, that is what this person here is nahihirapan siyang mag-adjust doon. Kasi alam niya na illusion na lang yon at parte na lang ng kanyang past memories. Pero kahit parte ng past memories, lalo na kung nami-miss ka niya ngayon, para kang isang buhay na multo sa kanya, Virgo. And I do see that someone here is reflecting yung kanyang mga pagkakamali. Could be the same person that we're talking about a while ago, but this could be also an energy of a different one. Someone here is nagre-reflect siya rito sa mga nagawa niya sa'yo or nagawa niya in general sa buhay niya. I'm seeing that this person here is somewhat medyo confused ngayon, pero nakikita ko rito na parang nagkakaroon na siya ng understanding unti-unti sa kung ano talaga yung nangyayari sa buhay niya. Meron na siyang unti-unting clear understanding or nagiging unti-unti na nagiging malinaw yung mga pangyayari sa buhay niya na naka-connect sa bawat ginagawa niya or action na bawat ginagawa niya. And also, I'm seeing right here, Virgo, that someone here is not being true when it comes to his or her feelings for you. This is someone here who likes you, who loves you, pero pinipiling wag magsalita at wag mag-confess ng emotions and feelings with a mask right here. Kung sino man siya, this person here loves you more than a friend. If this is a friend, this person loves you more than a coworker or a colleague. If this is a coworker or a colleague, or if this is someone here who is around you for quite some time, this person loves you, but chooses to keep his or her feelings and emotions hidden. So, wala siya ritong planong yan ay sabihin, ipagkalat, no, or lalong-lalo na ipaalam sa iyo. This person is holding this big heart, no, right sa kanyang chest, no, at mukhang lumaki na lang talaga at lumala na lang yung feelings niya sa'yo rito, Virgo, 'no, at hindi niya na napigilan, nahulog na talaga siya ng tuluyan sa'yo. Pero ewan ko kung ba't siya ganyan kahina yung loob niya, 'no, kaya naman pala. Kasi we have here pala, the kiss on the ring next. So maybe this person here, nagiging mahina siya rito kasi maaring hindi mo matanggap ang kanyang nakaraan or yung particular na nakaraan na yun is puwedeng meron siyang naka one night stand. And for some reason, posibleng dahil yun sa matinding anxiety or depression, no, which is alam naman niya hindi yun excuse. At maaaring yung iba naman pwedeng dahil sa sobrang lasing, hindi nila alam, no. Minsan kasi pag sobrang lasing ka, iba nakikita mo, 'di ba? Whatever the case may be, yan nakikita ko rito, no. So, past is past, pero para sa kanya parang matinding impact pa din yun. What if nalaman mo na ganun talaga? Yung iba doesn't have to be na one night stand yung particular situation, no? Pero yung iba, yes, that could be literally the case. But for others of you, it could be anything. Basta may nakaraan siya rito na parang feeling niya, yun yung nagiging balakid kaya wag na lang niya sabihin yung emotions and feelings niya. Yan, naduduwag siya dahil dun. Yan. So, for some reason, hindi ko naman nakikita na kayo yung klase ng energy na nabubuhay sa nakaraan. At kayo yung klase ng energy na hindi ko nakikita na nagpe-pay attention sa mga nakaraan or nakalipas na. So, ibig sabihin, posibleng kahit sabihin nitong person na 'to ang kanyang nakaraan, no, it doesn't matter kasi what's important with you is kung sino siya ngayon at kung ano yung ginawa niya, 'no, na pagbabago sa kanya ritong sarili, 'yan. So, iba sa inyo nakikita ko rito, 'no, na meron ditong sinasabing malayo or magpakalayo-layo, 'no, pero kung anong meron dun, merong blessing na pagbalik dun. So, ibig sabihin, posibleng malayo, may distansya, puwedeng travel or puwedeng may pupuntahan kayo rito na kailangan ninyong ituloy or gawin. If it means, separating sa family mo muna for temporarily lang or if it means na baka work-related yun, no? Pero nakikita ko rito na yung mga changes with the butterfly ay talaga namang plakadong-plakado sa'yo at sa pamilya mo. So, maaaring may separation dito pero pansamantala lang, pero worth it naman na gawin at mag-take risk dyan kasi yan ay magdadala sa'yo rito ng tagumpay. So, yun yung nakikita ko rito, Virgo, 'di ba? So, nakikita ko rito na Um, yung iba sa inyo, ito, message na 'to 'no, dito magre-resonate sa lahat, pero maaaring isa kayong kunyari girl kayo pero mga kaibigan ninyo puro boys or mas marami yung boys, may gano'n 'no? Or kung kayo naman ay boy, mga kaibigan mo naman is mas marami yung girls kaysa sa boys 'no. Without judgment, hindi ko nakita na meron dong identity crisis or what 'no, maaaring gano'n lang yung case ng iba sa inyo. Mas marami yung friend mong boys kahit girl ka, mas marami yung friend mong girls kahit may isa kang boy. Ayan, yung nakikita ko rito. No? And that might be a sign or a clue for someone no, viewing this reading here. But that will not resonate to each and everyone. Binanggit ko kasi nakita ko mga babes. So maliban dyan, Virgo, nakita rin ako rito, sweetheart, no, that this is you na meron ka ditong itatago to protect someone from getting hurt. Yes, ikaw mismo yung magtatago ng bagay na yun kasi ayaw mo makasakit rito ng feelings. And I think yung feelings na pinoprotektahan mo is feelings ng someone close to you. Yan. Yung iba sa inyo, for some reason, meron kayong minamahal rito, pero maaaring may iba siyang mahal. Yung nakita ko rito. Just take how this resonates, no? Or kung kayo man to, no, na meron kayo ditong tinatago, posibleng ito ay ibang issue at hindi naman din tungkol sa love. Pero you're protecting that information na malaman ng iba because you are protecting a loved one from getting hurt. No? Ayaw mo na malaman ng loved one na yun, Virgo, na may alam ka rito, no? Kasi alam niyo masasaktan. Kasi alam mong masasaktan mo siya. Yan. So, nakikita ko dito mga babes, no, na alam naman natin na walang lihim na hindi nabubunyag, no? So, nakikita ko dito mga babes, no, na if there will be one person here na gugustuhin niyang marinig yung truth na yon, I think it will always be you. And this person has this innate na gift sa kanya, which is yung understanding. So I'm seeing that this person will try to understand instead of pushing you away. So if it is a friend of yours, no, I do not see this person here taking grudge on you, but this person will try to understand what is that truth all about and how come you end up hiding that truth from her or him. Doesn't have to be na ikaw yung main involved doon sa alam mo. But this is you, kung meron daw siyang gustong taong marinig yung truth na yun, it will always be sa'yo. Yan. So, I think you will definitely hear that directly, straightforward. Yan. So, maliban dyan, nakikita ko rin dito mga babes, na meron kayo ditong biglaang travel. So, nakikita ko rito na posibleng hindi kayo makapaghanda sa biglaan yan. Pero miss yan. Dala ko ba naman yung wallet ko dyan tsaka cellphone ko? Aba, syempre naman, no? Hindi ko naman nakikita rito na yung biglaan na to is magkaiba pa yung suot mong tsinelas. Pero ito yung klase ng biglaan na posibleng hindi mo inaasahan yung budget or whatever, no? Like, pwedeng meron ng nalaan dito yung money mo or may mga naka-budget na dyan kung paano mo yan gagastusin or paano mo yan i-maximize. No? And then it so happen, may travel dito na magta-travel ka na hindi mo inaasahan at hindi mo nakita. Pero, spirits are saying, go! Puntahan mo daw yan, no? Virgo, kasi nakikita ko dyan, nakasama yan sa mga pagbabago sa buhay mo, no? Once you ride the waves or once you travel that pathway, universe will make you see the rainbow at the end of the storm. So, nakikita ko dito mga babes, no, na Virgo, you might not be seeing how things are unfolding right now, but there are beautiful changes with the butterfly right here being reflected by the mirror, and it is part of your destiny. And seeing that your life will be improved right here for the better. And I do see you right here loving the new environment that you will be And so, yeah, these are all the messages we've got right here from my Virgo people out there. Have a nice Sunday, everyone. And thank you so much for your time. Muli ako po siya ng inyong medium. Thank you, Sarang Heyo, Love and Light. Annyeong.